Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to publish stories on Wattpad. In order to do that, click on this pencil icon in the bottom and then create a new story. Now in here, you can put in here a story title. So for example, let's put in here a story title of this and then put in here a story description. And then once you've done that, you can also choose in here and add in here a cover that you want. For example, for me, I'll head over and then just use another cover, which is this one, and click on this text right here. Now just title your story part. For example, I write in here chapter 1. And then once you have added right here the title, just start writing for anything. So just start writing, and once you're done writing, you can see this publish option. Click on this publish right here, and you can also add tags and category. For example, let's put in here love, and also let's put in here romance. And then from in there, save it. And in here, you can also add category. For example, for me, I'll head over and then choose this and save that. And then from in here, just click on this checkbox. And then from in there, click on this publish option. Click on this publish now. And then as you can see, this will save first and now this will publish. Now, as you can see, we have now published this particular part of our story. And then click on done right here in order to see what it looks like on your story right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.